we are going to learn about some simple oxides. First, let's see what is an oxide. A binary compound of oxygen with another element is called as an oxide. On the basis of their oxygen content, oxides can be broadly classified into two types, namely simple oxides and mixed oxides. Simple oxides can further be classified into four types, namely acidic oxides, basic oxides, amphoteric oxides, and neutral oxides. Now let's see the various oxides in detail. Let's first start our discussion with simple oxides. A simple oxide is one carrying a number of oxygen atoms that the normal valency of its metal allows. For example, H2O, MgO and Al2O3. Now let's see what is a mixed oxide. When we combine two simple oxides, we get a mixed oxide. For example, when we combine lead oxide PbO2 and lead monoxide PbO, we get the mixed oxide, that is red lead Pb3O4. Another example is when we are going to combine ferric oxide, that is Fe2O3, and ferrous oxide FeO, we get the mixed oxide ferroferric oxide, that is Fe3O4. Now let's learn the chemical behavior of acidic oxide. An acidic oxide reacts with water and produces an acid. Usually, it is the oxide of nonmetals. Examples include sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur trioxide. It could also be the oxide of metals with higher oxidation states, such as CrO3, Mn2O7 and V2O5. For example, if you take sulfur dioxide, that is SO2, reacts with water to give sulfurous acid H2SO3. Similarly, chromic oxide reacts with water and produces chromic acid H2Cr2O4. Now let's learn about basic oxide. A basic oxide reacts with water to give a base. Examples include the oxide of most metals such as Na2O, CaO and BaO. These are basic in nature. For example, if you take calcium oxide, that is CaO, reacts with water and produces calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. Let's see what are amphoteric oxides. A few metallic oxides exhibit dual behavior. That is, they show the characteristics of both acidic as well as basic oxides. Such oxides are known as amphoteric oxides. So they will react with acids as well as alkalis. For example, zinc oxide is an amphoteric oxide. So it behaves as an acidic oxide when treated with sodium hydroxide and as a basic oxide when treated with hydrochloric acid. Let's see the equation. When zinc oxide is treated with concentrated sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. Similarly, when zinc oxide is treated with hydrochloric acid, it forms zinc chloride and water. Another example for amphoteric oxide is aluminium oxide, Al2O3. It also reacts with acids as well as alkalis. All these equations are important. They may ask in the complete the equation. Now let's move to neutral oxides. These oxides do not exhibit neither acidic nor basic oxide characteristics. These oxides do not form salt when treated with acids or bases. Example for neutral oxides are carbon monoxide and nitrous oxide.